Hey, what's up, y'all? So today's video, as you can see, is a clean with me, a super realistic pregnant mommy edition. So y'all will see all the struggles that I faced being pregnant and trying to clean up. This is just what my life looks like nowadays. So if you're interested, just go ahead and stay tuned. So before we jump into it, I want to show you guys this LEVOIT air purifier. It is everything. I love LEVOIT products. I also have a humidifier, and I just think it's so important to have clean air in your house. That is a whole part of my cleaning routine. So all those links will be down below. All the information will be down below. So this thing is super dope. I love the features on this air purifier. I love how it looks. As you can see, it looks really good with your decor. Like white can blend in with pretty much anything. So I just think it looks good. It's not like really super big and bulky. I love the touchscreen pad, which is something that LEVOIT is just known for. The little, touchscreen, modern type of products. You can change the modes, the speed modes. You can put it on nighttime mode. It has a timer. You can turn the lights off. It's just super dope, and I just want to show you guys just how quiet this machine is. So as you can see, it's not super loud at all, and I just really love the nighttime mode. That is just so convenient to have, and I just love this air purifier. It's very important, like I said, to have clean air. So if you're interested in LEVOIT, any of their products, make sure to click those links down below. And now let's go ahead and get to cleaning up, girl. So I throw on my gloves when I hit my kitchen and my bathrooms, especially because I wear nails, and you want to protect your fingers from the water and stuff. So yeah, this is my task at hand, and I just get straight into it. So this right here is my first super realistic struggle of being pregnant and trying to clean. This pregnancy has not allowed me to smell too much. Like, I thought that would subside during the first after the first trimester, but it's still very much a thing for me. All the little dish smells, every little food residue, it just like makes me nauseous. So I have to put something around my nose. It would probably be a little better for me to get like a little flu mask. So I do plan on picking those up, because that is definitely a real struggle of mine, trying to clean up nowadays being pregnant.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive.
And of course, my cleaning routine would not be normal, would not be realistic without a diaper change. This is another one of my struggles. This is why I need them flu masks, because oh my god, like this part of motherhood is brutal anyway. Once they grow out of that infant stage where the poop don't really be smelling that bad. But on top of me being pregnant and these smells hitting me in my soul, it is just like almost unbearable. So we are in the middle of potty training him, but he is a whole struggle child. I thought it would be easy to potty train my second one, but it is actually a lot harder than it was with my first. So yeah, y'all pray for me.
That you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You are not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own.
Look at this Kansas craziness. So this is where we line up our garbage cans and everything. Look where ours ended up. I just want to show y'all how the wind is just so crazy here in Kansas, okay? Like for real, everything be getting swept up and just knocked across everything. Like what? Just here when it's supposed to be there. Wow.
It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same.
Pause. Y'all thought that was the only craziness? Look at this. Okay, we've been out of town for like what, 4 days, and we come back home to this. This is none of our stuff, by the way. This is provided to us by the wind. I don't even drink beer. My husband don't drink beer. We don't eat that. This is not our stuff. Somebody's stuff blew out of their recycling can and is all in our yard. Like, this is real life, just real life Kansas wind right here. This is ridiculous. None of this is ours. None of it. And of course all the leaves just magically float to our yard. I really don't understand it because all our neighbors is leaf free, and all the leaves always just end up right here. Is somebody doing this? I don't know. Is it the wind? I don't know.
Man, I really love to play. And now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this.
So the struggle continues, and at this point I am just so tired, want to pass out, want to give up, but I go ahead and get it done because I'm the only one that's gonna do it. So, and I just want to point out real quick, y'all about to see my real raggedy couch in just a minute. If you're not hip to my vlog channel, then you don't know that we live in military housing, so it's like temporary housing. You live there for a few years and then move somewhere else. So we will be moving in a couple months, preparing to throw all this stuff away. So everything I feel like is just raggedy. Like I never really decorated this house. I never did anything to this house knowing that we wouldn't be here for a long time. So yeah, don't talk about me, don't talk about our couch, don't talk about my little ghetto TV. Just don't do it because it's all right. We about to start over. We about to start fresh. It's cool. So here's a realistic mommy portion of my cleaning day. I always have to split it up because my child is in a preschool program that's only 4 hours, so that only gives me a little bit of time to clean, do what I need to do. Then I pause, go get him, and then I'll finish the rest whenever I feel like eating. Look at Al, got his school pictures. Oh, you got more? Let me see him. Oh, you look so cute. Is that right? You look so handsome. You did a great job. I thought you was going to give us a mean mug. And this portion of my cleaning routine is called sitting down, eating a snack, watching a show, and going to sleep. Like, I just could not do too much at once. This pregnancy has had me very exhausted, like the most exhausted I've ever been in my life. So I just really have to pace myself. That's why now it just takes me a long time to clean up, because I just got to sit down, like I said, take a nap, and then get back to it later on. By the time, girl, these kids come in the house and they start messing stuff up. So it's just like cleaning never ends, but this is just what it is, realistic, and yeah.
2,000 years later.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop.
I could not finish this video without showing y'all this tip I just learned off YouTube with the Swiffer wet jet. As y'all know, if you have a Swiffer wet jet, these things do not open. They want you to throw them away and buy another one for $5. Like, where to do that at? So I learned that you just boil some water. You could just put a cup in the microwave, dip it in there for about 15 to 20 seconds to loosen it up, unscrew it, and bam. That way you can go ahead and add your own cleaner and reuse this little plastic container. I don't understand why Swiffer would even do this, to be wasting all this plastic, but hey, we found a way around this, Swiffer. You ain't getting another $5 from me, period.
I don't want to remember, just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain.
So that is it. That is like really the most that I can do at a time while being pregnant, dealing with this exhausting pregnancy, trying to clean up my house. And then I just go ahead and sit down and chill, get some work done. Perfect timing because my boys are sleeping, so I can have some, you know, little bit of me time and get some work done. I'm putting on these headache glasses. I know a lot of y'all had questions and I forgot to link them below in the last video, but they are definitely linked down below now. I got them off Amazon. They are in my Amazon store, and I put these on because they help with my headaches as far as me looking at the computer, at the TV, at sunlight, and all of that, because I've been dealing with pregnancy headaches or whatever. So these really help. Click that link down below to check them out. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my super realistic pregnant mama cleaning routine, and I will catch y'all in the next video.
Is this over? Can this be